Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door Abhilash. So in this video I'll be recommending 4 stocks for 24th March 2021. So this analysis and this stock recommendation is for 24th March only. I'll be coming tomorrow again with a new list of stocks for 25th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos daily so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, so please do subscribe. So you can see that the first stock is already written here, AMGN. Okay, this is the first stock for the day. So you can see that the last traded price of the stock is 245.04. Okay, 245.04 level. And the stock has just closed at the daily support, just above the daily support. And just look at the size of this candle. Okay, by looking at the size of this candle, you can say that yes, sellers were very much in pressure. And if we look at the stochastic RSI also, we can see that the stock is in oversold zone. So considering all these factors, we think that we may get an opportunity today to short the stock. So if we get the stock below this level, 244.9 level, and we see that yes, the selling pressure is still continuing. Okay, sellers are dominating the market, then you can short the stock below 244.9 level. So let's jump to the next stock. And the next stock is ACN Accenture. For Accenture, you can see that the last traded price is 266.03. And we can see that the stock has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, on the daily chart. Generally, spinning top kind of a pattern suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market, which signifies that neither bulls nor bears are in pressure. There is a tug of war kind of a situation going on in the market. Okay, so as a result, we may get opportunity on both the side. Okay, so if we get the stock above this level, 267.3 level, we will go for buy. And in case we get the stock below 264.4 level, okay, so you can short the stock. So buy above 267.3 and sell below 264.4. Okay, and do remember, if you short the stock at 264.4 level, then there is a support available at 263.20. Okay, so 263.2 is the target price if you short the stock. But you may get opportunity on both the side. In case of buying opportunity, this is the price. In case of selling opportunity, this is the price. Okay, so the next stock is MACD. We love burgers. Even I do love burgers. Even but just by looking at my health, you can tell that I'm a big fan of burgers. I'm a big fan of junk food. Okay, so let's jump to the third stock, the MACD. Okay, for MACD, you can see that MACD has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern, and therefore yesterday also there was some price rejection from above, and yesterday there was some good price rejection from above. So this signifies that yes, there are some sellers present in the market who are not allowing the price to go up. And secondly, market is in overbought zone, so there is a good chance that sellers will dominate the market and we will get to short the stock and make some money. So what is the price that we need to look for? We can short the stock below this level. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we can short the stock below 223.7 level. So in case you get the stock below 223.7 level, go for sell. Just short the stock and make some money and have some burgers from the profit. And the next and the last stock for the day is Facebook. Uh, the chart is not coming up. Sometimes they act real slow. Yeah, just like McDonald's. Okay, the Facebook also. face some price rejection, severe price rejection from above, and a shooting star kind of a pattern. Okay, so ultimately close at 290 90.63 level. So we can short the stock, or we may get some opportunity to short the stock below 289.8 level. So in case you get the stock below this level, you can short the stock, because see, yesterday there was a shooting star kind of a pattern. Day before yesterday also stock tried to go up, almost it reached the 300 level, but the price could not sustain and it came down. Yesterday also the stock tried to go up, the price failed to sustain and ultimately it had to come down, which means that sellers are there in the market. Okay, and right now they are kind of in a dominating position in comparison to the buyers. Okay, therefore if you get any opportunity below 289.8 level, you can short the stock and make some money. Okay. So these are the four stocks that you can trade on 24th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'm your trader next door Vilas, signing off. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe. Good luck.